Okay, so today just launched the new Lego Friends set, and my husband just got it for me, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. It's still taped up, so I'm gonna cut it. This is September 1st, 2018, and this just released this morning. My husband said he was at the mall and in line. He got there early. There was about 20 people ahead of him, and by 11 there was another 25 people behind him. It was really crazy. All right, so I've never done an unboxing for Lego, but I love Friends, and it was my cousin's favorite, one of her favorite TV shows. So as soon as I found out they were doing this, I knew I had to get one. So inside is the box. You can kind of see, if you see the art on the side, you can see like Phoebe's guitar, pivot, the couch, an umbrella. It's really cute. It's all this art on the side. I'll try to show that again once I have all the bags out. So we have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, I have another bag 1. So looks like it's a different bag 1 though. So I just need to check. Here's bag 4. I got a little nervous not seeing 4. There's 5. This one looks like it has a little bit more intricate details in here. Maybe a Ross jacket. Phoebe's guitar's in here. I see some hair. So maybe getting more into the cast. Here's bag 6. A little bit more decor pieces in here. I want to look because I have another bag 1, so I'm going to look at the book here and just check. Oh, here's some stickers. We had the man with the lipstick. Live tonight, Phoebe buffet, reserved sign, and this floral print. And the receipt. So this was $59.99 at the Lego store. They kind of have like Meet the Designer, this Central Perk. We have a thing about Central Perk and the cast. Let's see if I can raise that up. And Meet the Designer, the fan designer. Meet the Lego designers. This is really cool. Talking about their project, their roles. What part of the model are you most satisfied with? Then it's in another language. So, same thing. Another language here. So they go through a few languages on that. Okay, so we have, see how it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the part pieces. And this is how it should look at the end. So, I'm excited to go ahead and start building this. So here's inside the box. How you doing? The cat, building, flowers, guitar, pivot, lobster, the frame around the door, the taxi, umbrella. Same on this side. This is the back. So, I mean, you have all this little detail that's going to be in there from Central Perk. And this can move. The living room, like with the couch, can move out of the space inside Central Perk. That's why there's an arrow there showing that it can move. And they actually have like the cameras and lights. So yeah. All right, hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.